At Justice Dental, we care about the health of your mouth, and over the years we've found that a lot of the problems you have in your body start with your mouth, like heart attack, stroke, and diabetes. That has made us want to develop a program for you to keep your mouth healthy and beautiful. Check the link below to check it out.
Hey everyone, this is Tristan. Routine hygiene care is so important for maintaining your smile and overall health. Plus, who doesn't love that fresh, clean feeling after seeing your hygienist?
Hi, it's Holly here. Everyone wants a whiter, brighter smile. So we have a bleaching system that you can take home today to start on your new, happy, brighter, whiter smile.
Hi, I'm Lori with Justice Dental. One of the things we're including in our package is the Oral-B electric toothbrush. This brush is amazing. It's going to make your teeth feel sparkly and clean every time that you use it. It comes with a built-in timer and pressure sensor, and you can even track your brushing with the online app. You'll get to take this brush home with you the day of your appointment.
And part of this package that we're offering includes a smile imaging, and this can be done the same day that you come in for your exam and your cleaning. We can make you bleach trays to take home, and we can image your smile and show you what we can do for you.